Hello friends, welcome back to the Lazy Diaries. Today only I received my parcel for which I had been eagerly waiting for. The packaging mesmerized me so much that I just wanted to share the unboxing and first impressions with you all. Lakme has recently expanded its shade range in the already existing matte melt liquid lipstick collection. As soon as I saw the new shade range, I was attracted and wanted to try few shades from the range, and I ordered two shades as soon as it was available on the Lakme website. So it's a very beautiful black box with Lakme Reinvent written on top, and here the Lakme website and the Facebook, Instagram and the YouTube channel name written both sides on it. On opening the box, there is a Lakme thank you card inside, and here it's written thank you for your order. And yes, down here it's packed so beautifully. Oh my god, it's actually really tempting. And when I opened this, the lipsticks, they are packed here with Lakme Reinvent tape. So now I'm just going to open the packaging for the lipstick. So on opening the packaging, here are the two lipsticks which I ordered. You can see it's the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and these are in the shade Red Vibe and Pink Poison. These lipstick cost for rupees 750 each, but right now there is an offer going on and you get these lipsticks for rupees 399 each. So here I am just opening the outer packaging, and here is a small cover here, and here is the shade Red Vibe. So this is the shade Red Vibe, and this is the shade Pink Poison. So here are the two shades from the range. Earlier there were 8 shades available in this range, but there are now 20 shades available. Lakme has added 12 more shades to this range. So in a different video, I will review both these lipsticks and will compare this with the already existing range that I have already with me. So comment me and tell how you like the video, and if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.